Hello everyone! Here's a quick and easy veg recipe that everyone will enjoy. Let's start with 260 grams of chopped pumpkin, 2 chopped capsicum about 90 grams, 1 chopped carrot about 60 grams, 2 chopped green chillies, 2 chopped onions about 130 grams, half cup of green peas about 70 grams.
So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe.
Now take a pot and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds and 10 to 15 curry leaves. Now stir fry on medium flame for 10 seconds. Now we'll add green chilli, onion, and cook for a minute on medium flame. Then we'll add carrot, green peas and capsicum. Cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. And now we'll add half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, add half teaspoon salt or according to your taste, and 2 tablespoons of Sambar Masala. Now cook on low flame for a minute. Then add 350 ml of water. And cook on high flame for 2 minutes. Now cover and cook on medium flame for 7 minutes. Then give it a stir. Now we'll add pumpkin and mix it well on high flame. Now we'll add 350 ml of water. Mix it well. And let it boil for 5 minutes on high flame. And now we'll cover and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Give it a stir. And our pumpkin curry is ready to eat.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!